These gaskets are not meant to be used for high pressure sealing applications, but it can provide a good seal for dirt dust, light rain, and of course, EMI shielding. So don't design and form in place gaskets and expect them to pass your 1 meter underwater submersion test, but do expect it to protect against moisture and solid particulates.
We've done several webinars on electromagnetic material topics, and corrosion is a topic that is always discussed. It's very hard to completely prevent corrosion, whether it be galvanic or electrolytic, but you should always be prepared to see some level of corrosion. We want to minimize galvanic potential as well as minimize the electrolyte presence.